In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Power World with more than 4 players. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you try to set up a server by yourself on Power World, most of the time you will be locked to a maximum of 4 players. However, there are two main ways to change this. One of them you will be able to do yourself. However, if you aren't able to get it to work, or if you notice that the performance is not good, then you will have to look into the second alternative, which isn't free. However, it is much more convenient and way easier to set up. So for the first one, if you want to do it yourself for free, then all that you have to do is copy this script. So you can go over to Pastebin and then go to this link here that you can see on the top of the video. So it is going to be capital EIS, capital L, AR8, capital Z. So when you go over to this page, you will be able to download this script for Power World. All this is essentially the world settings file. Everyone has a file like this when you set up Power World initially, and we need to copy this one because we are going to be creating a custom settings file that allows us to have more people in co-op. So copy the entirety of the script, and don't worry, even if you aren't able to get here, you will still be able to get it to work. Then visit this website, powerworldoptions.com. Usually, all of the values here should be okay to use. You can customize them individually or just go over to import settings and then paste the script that we copied, load the config, and now everything will change. Like I said, if you really want to, you can individually control every single aspect. So things like the PAL spawn rate, the PAL damage rate, and so on. Now, what you are looking for here is this option, co-op players max number. As the name suggests, this allows you to set up the maximum amount of players in co-op. So all that you have to do is increase it according to how many people are going to play. So you can set it up to 12, for example, generate the world file, and once you have this world file available on your PC, you just have to go over to app data, local, PAL, saved, save games, and then access this folder with a bunch of numbers, and then drag and drop world options. You can substitute it. I have already done it, so I won't. So make sure to replace the old world options and now host a multiplayer world. Your position is going to be reset. However, the progress is going to stay. Now, if this method doesn't work, you don't trust this, or it is too much work, then what you will have to do is purchase a dedicated server. Usually, these will take monthly payments, and they will offer you a lot more customization. They are online 24/7, they have protection against attacks, and they have 24/7 support. It is much easier to set up because you simply have to purchase the server and everyone will be able to join. But like I said, it can be quite pricey, so keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Power World with more than 4 players. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.